What's up YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. So hey, in the last video we took a look at the Aspen. It's a leather phone case. Basically the Aspen is made from premium full grain oil wax leather. Can't beat that leather feel and you can't beat that leather smell. And Andar got it right by balancing the premium materials in this phone case with a really nice thin and light feel in the hand. So when Andar reached out to me and asked if I'd be interested in reviewing the Mag wallet, I jumped at the opportunity to pair a real leather MagSafe wallet with the real leather of the Aspen phone case. It's really a great combination. So hey, let's take a close-up look at the Mag wallet and talk about what you need to know if you're interested in buying this product. By the way, you can pick up the Mag wallet on Andar.com for about 44 bucks. It comes in 4 colorways, including brown, navy, camel tan, and jet black. Today, we're looking at the camel tan colorway, which matches with my camel tan phone case. So I think these two colors go really well together. So the Mag is similar in shape and size to the Apple leather MagSafe wallet, but there's a few differences between these two that really make the Andar product much better in my opinion. And first of all is the price. So at $44, it's actually cheaper, $15 cheaper than the Apple leather MagSafe wallet. The other thing is it's made of real leather. And while the Apple wallet is also made of leather, the Mag from Andar is definitely thicker and feels more premium. This product just feels like it's a better quality product. Now it's made to hold up to 2 cards. You can actually squeeze 3 cards in there, but really they've designed it for 2 cards. It's very easy to access them and pull them in and out of the case. Because this case is leather and leather does stretch over time, I've actually been carrying 3 cards in my card wallet, and it's starting to finally loosen up a little bit, but it's really tight with 3 cards. It's really actually made for 1 or 2 cards ideally. However, the biggest difference that makes this wallet better than the Apple MagSafe wallet really is the design of the wallet. So instead of a slot in the back of the Apple wallet where you slide your card to gain access, it's very hard to do that. I've never been able to really get good access to my cards in the Apple wallet. Andar has designed actually a cutout along the front. So just a little thumb slot. All you gotta do is just slide your cards up and out of the wallet. Super easy access, no issues at all of accessing your cards. And that's really nice. That's the main function of this, is to hold your cards and to give you access to your cards. So you really need that feature to work well, and Andar has done a great job here. Now the magnet, it's nice and strong. Have no concerns with this wallet not sticking to the back of my phone. It works just as well on a phone case or directly on the back of your phone. I've tried with several cases, including the later case, which isn't even MagSafe, and that magnetic connection is strong enough to hold just fine. I have no worries about this sliding off the back or there being a weak connection at all. You do get a small brand hit on the front of the wallet with the Andar name printed on the back. And the V-shaped cutout on the front is just a nice design touch. I really like how this wallet came together. The stitching around the wallet is color matched. While I'm no expert in leather making, Andar products, including this wallet, just feel really well made. I have no problems recommending the Mag card wallet. So let's take one more close-up look and I'll get to my closing thoughts. So if you're considering buying the Mag card wallet from Andar, what do you need to know? First off, The mag is made of high quality premium full grain oil wax leather, so it's real leather, has that real leather smell, has that real leather feel to it. Second, at $44, it's actually a great option. It's cheaper than the Apple leather wallet. It's priced right, in my opinion. And then third, I do prefer the cutout on the front. That's really the most important part. It makes accessing your cards so much easier. Finally, I always want to be honest with you about any product I highlight on my channel. So my goal here is to give you both an up-close look at the products, but also to let you know what are the pros and cons. Now the mag has a lot going for it, and I can definitely recommend you buy this card wallet, but there is one thing to consider, and that one consideration I have is the number of cards it can hold. For me personally, I need to be able to carry 5 cards with me at all times. The mag card wallet will definitely carry 2. I'm squeezing in a third right now, but it's a very tight fit. So just keep that in mind. If you need more than 2 or 3 cards with you at all times, just keep that in consideration if you're gonna buy this product. Hey, as always, I'll leave a link down below in the description if you wanna pick one of these up. And let me know if you have any questions on this down in the comments, or just hit me a DM up on Twitter. I'll answer every question as soon as I can. I appreciate you watching. Be sure to subscribe, leave a like, helps out the channel, helps me make more content like this, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks guys, peace.